today's video I'm doing another 3 looks 1 palette video, and I'm using Urban Decay Naked palette. This is the OG Naked palette. So yeah, if you wanna know what 3 looks that I came up with this palette, keep on watching. Okay, start from the eyes. I'm taking NYX eyeshadow base in the shade Skin Tone and just put it all over my eyelid to the brow bone to prime and conceal them as well. Then after that, I'm taking my face powder and just set the eyeshadow base so it doesn't crease throughout the day. And then after that, for the palette, I'm taking Urban Decay Naked. This is the original one, like I said in the title. So I'm taking this naked shade and just put it all over my crease as matte transition color. Okay, then after that, I'm taking the shimmer black shade and just put it on the outer and inner third of my lid. I left the center part, if you know what I mean. I wanna create a halo look, so yeah. Okay, then after that, I'm taking this gunmetal shade and just put it on the center part of my lid. Okay, then after that, I'm taking my The Body Shop eye definer in the shade black and just put it on my tight line. Okay, then after that, I just curl my eyelashes. Okay, then after that, I'm taking my mascara and just put it on my upper lashes. Okay, now moving on into the face, I'm taking e.l.f. blush and bronzing powder. I'm taking bronzer side and just put it to warm up my face. I kinda contour but not much, I just warm up my face. Then after that, I'm taking the blush side and just put it on the apple of my cheek to bring some color to my cheek. Okay, then after that, I'm taking the Body Shop Puff on Radiance and just put it on the high point of my cheek and the place it I wanna highlight. Okay, then after that, I'm taking the shade called Naked and I'm just putting it on the lower lash line. Then after that, I'm taking this shade and just put it on my inner corner as a highlight. Then after that, I'm taking the same eyeliner and just put it on my waterline. Okay, then after that, I'm taking the same mascara and just put it on my lower lashes. Okay, now moving on into the lips, I'm taking the Body Shop Velvet Stick in the shade Nude and just put it all over my lips, and that's it for the look number 1. Okay, starting from the eyes, I already primed and set it with the powder, and I use this shade called Naked and just put it all over my crease. Okay, then after that, I'm taking this shade and just put it on my crease as well. Okay, then after that, I'm taking makeup remover and just shape the lid, if you know what I mean. And just set it with the powder. Okay, then after that, I'm taking my favorite shade, which is called Sidecar, and just put it all over my eyelid. Okay, then after that, I'm taking the same crease color and just put it on the crease again using smaller brush because I feel like I kinda lost the crease. Okay, now after that, I'm taking this black shade and just put it to make wing liner. Okay, now after that, I'm taking the same eye definer by the Body Shop and just put it on my tight line. And then I curl my lashes. And of course, after that, I'm taking my mascara and just put on my upper lashes. And now moving on into the face, I already put foundation and concealer. I'm just using my matte bronzer, which is not cruelty free, so I won't show that to you. So I'm just kinda contouring and just bronzing up my face. Okay, then after that, I'm taking Tarte Amazonian Clay Blush in the shade Fearless and just put it on the apple of my cheek to bring some color to my cheek. I love this blush. Then after that, I'm taking the same highlighter, which is the Body Shop Puff on Radiance, and just highlighting my face. Okay, now back into the eyes, I'm taking this shade and just put it all over my lower lash line. Okay, then after that, I'm taking this shimmery brown shade and just put it on my lower lash line, but I put it with a more precise brush, if you know what I mean. Then after that, I'm taking my mascara and just put it on my lower lashes. By the way, I lost the footage of me applying the eye definer, so yeah. Then after that, I'm taking this light shimmer shade and just put it on my inner corner. Okay, now moving on into the lips, I'm taking the Body Shop Velvet Stick in the shade Coral and just put it all over my lips, and this is for this look number 2. Okay, starting from the eyes, I'm taking the shade called Naked and just put it all over my crease as my transition color. Okay, then after that, I'm taking this shade called Bark and just put it on my crease again as my second transition color. Okay, then after that, I'm taking this gold shade and just put it on the inner half of my lid. Okay, then after that, I'm taking this shade and just put it on the outer half of my lid. Then after that, I'm taking the black shade and just make wing eyeliner with it. After that, I'm taking the Body Shop eye definer and just put it on my tight line. Okay, then after that, I just curl my lashes. Then after that, I just put some mascara on my upper lashes. Okay, now moving on into the face, I'm taking matte bronzer and just bronzing up my face, just like warming up my face. I don't contour with this, so yeah. Okay, now after that, for the blush, I'm taking the Body Shop Packet Blush in the shade Coral and just put it on the apple of my cheek to bring some color to my cheek. Okay, then after that, I'm taking the same highlighter and just highlighting my face. Okay, now we're back into the eyes. I'm taking this shade and just put it along the lower lash line. Then after that, I'm taking this shade and just put it along the lower lash line, just blending it with the previous shade. Okay, then after that, I'm taking the same eyeliner and just put it on my waterline. After that, I'm taking the same mascara and just put it on my lower lashes. Now moving on into the lips, I'm taking lip tint and just put it all over my lips. And that's it for this look number 3, and this is the end of the tutorial. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this 3 looks 1 palette using naked palette. Don't forget to subscribe me. I make video 1 or 2 times a week, and don't forget to like it if you like it. So yeah, bye guys, see you next video.